हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। तो कैन आई आस्क यू, हाउ इज़ द जोश? डेफिनेटली योर जोश must be high. Many schools have already begun their final exams and many are about to begin from tomorrow onwards, that is Monday 24th of February. In this video I have brought in content from Griffin's International Standard 6 SST portion, and in this video I will be uploading their geography lessons which are about to come in the final exam portion. I have already helped my students with their bookwork and exercises, and so I thought why not to share with my YouTube audience as well, so that it will be a great help for them. Please, if you do like my videos, please like and share with your friends, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow, and also let me know in the comment section as to how are my videos and what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. You can give me suggestions, then I would be preparing the content that you want. Okay, let's begin with so in this lesson there are only two lessons of geography coming. In Griffin's International is a CBSE school, and the SST comprises of all the three, that is history, geography and civics video I have already uploaded. So in this video I am giving you the geography lessons of standard 6. There are only two lessons coming in geography of this final portion. That is the name of the lesson is Earth in the Solar System, which is the very first lesson of geography. So the exercises that I have worked out for my students, I would like to share with you people even. Okay, coming to page number 115, there are fill in the blanks given there. The dash lies at the center of the solar system. The sun lies at the center of the solar system. Next, the dash of the sun keeps all the members of the solar system together. The gravity of the sun keeps all the members of the solar system together. Next, the dash is the biggest planet in the solar system. The Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. The thick blanket of the dash protects Earth from ultraviolet rays of the sun. The thick blanket of the ozone layer protects Earth from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Dash are believed to be broken pieces of a planet. Asteroids are believed to be broken pieces of a planet. So these are the fill in the blanks. Then coming to the match the following. In match the following, the first one is meteors. The meteors is shooting stars are called meteors. Next one is asteroids. Asteroids are pieces of an exploded planet. Pieces of an exploded planet are called asteroids. The third one is waning period. The waning period is shape of the moon grows. That is called as the waning period. Coming to the waxing period, shape of the moon reduces is called the waxing period. Coming to the sun, the sun is this one. Largest member of the solar system is the sun. Coming to the true and false on the next page. The first one, the universe was formed around 5 million years ago. False. Next, Earth has only two satellites, which is false. The temperature at the surface of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. It is true. The planets have their own heat and light. It is false. Next, there are 88 constellations in the sky. Is true. So this is the one chapter that I gave you. Another chapter that is coming in that portion is Physiographic Divisions of India, page 161. The exercises that I gave to my students worked out. Coming to page 170, you can work out along with me with your pencil. Page number 170, the fill in the blanks given there is India is the second most dash country in the world. India is the second most populated country of the world. The dash separates the Central Highlands from the Deccan Plateau. The Narmada River separates the Central Highlands from the Deccan Plateau. The dash and dash are the tributaries of the Brahmaputra. The Lohit and the Subansiri River. The Lohit and the Subansiri River are the tributaries of the Brahmaputra. Dash is the largest state of India. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Dash is the second highest peak in India. Nanda Devi is the highest peak in India. These are the fill in the blanks. Coming to the match the following. Outer Himalayas are called Shivalik. Brahmaputra is also called as Padma. Rift Valley is Narmada is called the Rift Valley. Like backwaters Backwaters, lagoon are called as the backwaters. Coromandel Coast, eastern coastal plain. Eastern Coromandel Coast is the eastern coastal plain is called as the Coromandel Coast. Okay, coming to the true and false. Ladakh range is located in the Purvanchal hills. Is it true or false? It is the false statement. Next, a river forms a delta at the place where it meets the sea or ocean. Then it is true. The statement is true. The Indus River originates near Lake Mansarovar. The statement is true. Next, the Brahmaputra and the Indus rivers meet in Bhutan and is known as Meghna over there. It is false. Next one, the length of the coastline of India is 6,100 kilometers, including the islands. The statement is false. So these are the 2 lessons of geography that I have provided you with the necessary content. You can share with your friends as well, and stay connected and stay tuned, because very soon I'll be uploading the history content as well of the exercises that I have worked out. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And yes, of course, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Best of luck for your exams. Bye bye. See you soon.